The question that we have here says find the common ratio in each of the following geometric progression. That is GP. Geometric progression is also called GP or exponential sequence. Is either you call it geometric progression or you call it exponential sequence. So, and we have to find what? The common ratio in each of these geometric progressions. There are 4 of them. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, in this case, the first one says, in the sequence we have 3, 9, 27, 81, 2, 4, 3. So each of them is called a term. So which means 3 is the first term in this sequence, 9 is second term, 27 is third term, 81 is the fourth term, and 2, 4, 3 is the fifth term, and so on. Then how do you find common ratio? Common ratio is represented with the symbol r, small r. So what is the common ratio of this geometric progression? How to find the common ratio is simply by dividing the second term by the first term. Use the first term and divide the second term, or use the second term and divide the third term, or use the third term and divide the fourth term, and so on. And they are expected, no matter the one that you use, they are expected to do what? To get the same answer. So let's try the first one. If you say second term divided by the first term, which will be 9 divided by 3, will give us what? 3. And that is the word of the common ratio, which is the answer. Assuming that we use second term divided third term, it will be what? R is equals to what? 27 divided by what? 9, which will also give us the same 3. If we also use third term to divide what? Fourth term, it will be 81 divided by 27. It will also give us what? 3. So, and that is the reason why it's called what? Common ratio, because it is a ratio between what? All the members of the what? Of that geometric progression. And that is okay. So the answer for this one is simply what? 3. Then the second one we have what? 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, and so on. This is also what? A geometric progression. So in this GP, the common ratio of this GP will be what? R is equals to what? Second term divided by first term will be what? 6 divided by 3, which will give us 2. So 2 is what? Simply the word, the common ratio. Assuming we say second term divided third term, it will be what? 12 divided by 6, which will give us also 2 or 2. If we say third term divided fourth term, it will be what? 24 divided by 12, it will also give us 2. And so on. Then on the fourth one, we have what? 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, and so on. So how do you get the common ratio? Just say second term divided by first term. And the second term there is 16. While the first term is what? 32. So how do you get it? You reduce this to the lowest term, because it's also what? Already a fraction. So you say 2 divided 16 will give us what? 8. 2 divided 32 will give us 16. If we keep reducing it, we are going to get what? 1 over 2 as a final answer, because you cannot reduce it further. If you repeat the same thing, using what? Third term divided by second term, it will give you the same thing. And that is the final answer. So the next one says what? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on. So I would like you to attempt the fourth one and drop the correct answer in the comment section. Thank you for listening.